What's up, y'all? I just thought I'd make a video and let you guys know that I got off work like 2 hours ago. I got a bubbly watermelon seltzer. And the last video I just did was canceled because unless you guys want to see that, go ahead and comment down below if you want to see the video. But it doesn't matter to me because I'm not going to post it. I accidentally canceled it. I think it was funny. I might post it. Anyway, I'm not going to get into it. I don't care what you guys think. Actually, I do care. I do care. And yet I don't. Because you don't know me. Okay, so I got a watermelon bubbly. Yeah. Whoa. Now that was delicious. I got bra. I got it, brah. I got broads in Atlanta. I'm not going to say the next part because it's explicit with illicit drugs. And I don't even do those thugs like things. So don't even come at me with that BS. Yes, you can't live your life in slices, Lancelot. No! Huh? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I got all the bananas. Drinking soda and the Fanta. I got all the bananas. Drinking soda and the Fanta. Was that a parody or something? Yeah! Well, that's just great. Really? You think so? Yeah. You're freaking me out, dude. You're really freaking me out. Ooh, that's a camera! Whoa! It's a camera! Yeah, that's what it's called. A freaking laptop. Yeah. A laptop? A laptop? Well, that's crazy. Is it on your lap? Yeah, no duh. It is. Is that what it's called? I thought that was your leg. Oh, well. They call it a lap. You do it in track, and you can do it on your back. Because you're a monkey, man. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, he's crazy. I'm just gonna push him over there. Now, that's just a little crazy, dude. We came here for the burps, not the monkey. So, what are you drinking? The bubbly. We did not come here for the monkey. We came for not for the skunk, see? And not for any of the dummies. Because I am not a ventriloquist. And I'm going to tell you this with wit. And I know that I got it in when I went and... Sorry. My throat's a little itchy. And when I went and got in the gym, I got the gains every day. Yes, I did. Oh. Now, What do you have to say, monkey man?
I love you guys.
Really? That's just amazing. You make me smile, monkey. What's your real name?
I don't know. I don't know.
How can you not know? Dude, how can you not know your name? Come on, man. I'm not gonna give up on you. What is your name?
I am Chip.
Chip?
Chip. Chip.
Okay, you don't have to scream everything. Is it Chip Pansy?
How'd you know? I didn't want to know. Come on! You can't talk to me now! Whoa.
Okay, get out of here!
Owie!
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, just go sit down over there, okay?
Okay. Yay.
It's okay. Don't feel that way. It's okay. Just give me ideas on the side, okay? It'll be fine. I'm here to burp, okay?
Okay! It's okay.
All right. So anyway, what we came for. Whoa, whoa. It's not really watermelon-y. And I was talking to Melanie. It wasn't very watermelon-y. That did not make any sense because I did not get the sense for making a sentence. And because that's required within it, I couldn't even get the sentence. I don't even know, man, what I'm talking about. It's senseless. And y'all even know what I'm talking about? Relentless? Is suspense about Spencer? No. That was pretty good.
Yeah!
Not bad. You gotta sit down over there, though. And do not keep the mouse pointer on the record button. Or else you'll do what I did. I dropped a soda and it was loud as it hit my laptop. Just so you know, when you get smacked up by Spencer, you're gonna get really, really out of sense here. You'd be like, whoa, I lost all my senses. Yeah. Can you keep up with me? Can you keep up with me? Come on now! What's wrong with the crowd right now, dude? I don't hear any of you. I don't hear any of you talking back.
It's because it's a laptop, you idiot!
Don't call me that. I didn't call you that, did you? Did I?
Did you? Did you?
No, I did. Hey! Holy crap. It's the first time that's ever happened. Holy crap. Oh, my stomach. Dude, to be honest, All day, I...
Don't even tell me this. I know where you're going with it.
What? What? All day...
Yuck!
What? I haven't even said anything.
Yuck! Wow, dude.
Okay, yeah, I farted, okay? All day. I had to hold it in. Are you happy now? I held it in, man. Now just chill the heck out. I've had stomach problems all day. I had to go to the bathroom like 3 times.
Yuck! I just go where I'm standing.
Wow. I don't do that. I'm not a monkey. I don't live in the forest. Golly. Crazy monkey. God, you're freaking crazy.
What are you talking about, you idiot?
Stay there. Stay there.
You're an idiot.
Whatever.
You're an idiot.
Who's that?
An old man in the closet.
You are? Closet's open.
An old man in the closet.
What the heck?
An old man in the closet.
Well, I'm not in the closet. Never was in it. I ain't into men. I ain't in the same boat as them.
You ain't?
Oh wow. Did you really just say that? Of course I'm a man, dude.
Shit.
Shut up, dude. I'll flash everybody in this freaking room, dude. You'll know I'm a man. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway. So, yeah. You better know. You better know. Yeah.
I think you're a lady.
No, I'm not. I never will be. People think that they can be that whatever they want to be. I'm a skittle. I'm a pronoun. Rock. I'm a chicken leg. I'm a positive way. That's how they think nowadays. And I don't even give all that hate, but I will debate about God today. So you better know that God is the way to heaven. Not sinning. So quit sinning, dude. God made woman and man. It works, right? The other way doesn't work. It's the opposite of God. I'm not trying to offend you, but...
You're right. Yeah.
You're so cute. Okay. Anyway, just so you know, I am not hating anybody because everybody is a human being. And if you are not nice, I will beat you up. All right? So, I'm not being mean anymore. I'm not dissing anybody, so don't even get that in your head. Don't even, I'm not even burping as much, but trying to make the video more entertaining by burping, of course.
Yeah, sure. It's not.
It's not?
It's not.
Who's out there?
Or an old man in the closet.
Oh, I'm sure you are, gay man.
Hey! That doesn't mean that way.
Okay, well, I don't know where you are, old man.
I'm an old man in the closet.
You're... Okay. I am an old man, but I am not in the closet. And I am out on my bed. This is not a metaphor. Feds. So get fed and get your meds and go to bed. Smack, smack. All right. So, anyhow, you better know that I get a flow. Yeah, you better know that I get a flow. Yeah, I said again for sure. Yeah, and you need to go. Yeah, I need the flow. I need the gold. I'm gonna go for the gold. Yeah. Pun intended with the gold. Because I got the golds. And I scored. Yeah, you better know that I get a flow. And yeah. I said again what I need to know. That every day I'm getting better in ways that I'll ever know. And you'll never know Spencer Ho, so get to flowing that way. H2O. Okay. You're like a leaky faucet. Yeah, you just keep leaking often. And you're a weakling, dog, biatch. And you are seeking to be socked in your head again. I don't know what I'm saying.
I'd like to be the best at this. Yeah.
Really? That's good. Okay, anyway. Yeah, don't be gay. Get out of here. And you, shut up. I don't know why you're in my closet, old man.
I'm in the closet. Help me.
Okay.
I'm in the closet and need help.
Okay, then. I ain't. And I never will be. I already said that. Shut up. I'm not homophobic either. So don't let me go there. I'm being real with you. No, I know someone at work that actually is. And I'm like, where did that even come from, dude? No one here's gay, dude. I'm going to have to punch you in the face. You're going to lose your lunch today. As I punch your stomach, Kay. And you're beeping gay. So don't even touch my face. Don't even come my way. Don't even come this way. I'm going to punch your face. Hey, you better know that I am not gay, and I'm going to sock you in the face with a sock today. On my hand. And I'm going to be always grand in the land. You better know that's what I demand.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Yeah.
I told you to stay over there.
What? Jeez Louise.
Yeah. Anyway. So, today, there was some things that I was having problems with, like having gas all day. Shut up! Golly, man. Okay. So, yeah. Hope y'all have a good day, and hope you guys have a great night and everything. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I didn't burp as much, but oh well. Hope y'all have a good night. Okay, say goodbye, monkey.
I got all the bananas. I got all the bananas. Drinking soda in the Fanta. Yeah.
Okay. It's a lot of things I'm working on, so you just keep on working on your goals and practice. You know? Practice perfect. You'll get it. and put in the time. Y'all have a good night. Stay with God and pray to Him always. And always be a person, and you will do well. All right. See you guys later. Love you. Bye.